Hello everyone, we are SHLR Technosoft Private Limited. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a questions for the Winner Dreams quiz app. For that, first we need to go for the Winner Dreams app and then log in by using a login like email ID and a password. Once you have been logged in, this is how the Winner Dream page is seen. There you will find in the left side you will find the modules. There you have to go for the questions. Click on the question module and open the questions. So this is how the questions page will be displayed. So you will have a two option here. One is add new questions, or you can import or export the questions. So I will show you both the options how to use. First I'll show you how to add a new question. Click on add new question. Then you can add a question by using a text or using a tiny image. Okay, now I'll show you by using a text. Click on test, then you will find a question format. So you will have to choose the objective. You need to add a questions along with the four options. So I'll add a question now. So I have selected one general English question. And choose four options. Option 1 the same way, option 2 the same way, option 3 the same way, option 4 also. So after choosing selecting four options, then you have to select which is the correct option for that. So answer will be B. Select answer. Option is 2. Then if you want to give any explanation or a proof regarding the particular answer, you can give. If not, it is optional. Then select a group name for which group you are going to add this. So I'm going to add this for the UPSC group. And then subject, so it is general English or general aptitude, which you have selected subject. Choose it. So I'm going to choose it as a general English. Then int, if you want to give a int, it is an optional, so that particular answer int. So and then add a marks. If you are adding a marks like 2, 3, 1 marks or whatever, and if you are giving a negative marks for that particular answer, then marking. So if you are not giving, then 0. If you are giving -1 or 0.25 like this, and then select the difficulty level and then save. This is how you are going to add questions. The same way you need to add minimum 5 to 20 questions to conduct one particular exam. So again same way, choose an objective, add a questions. Same way you have to choose the four options. And then chooses correct option. What is the answer? Option C. And then if you want to give a same way proof explanation, then which subject you're going to add it, particular subject. Then marks and negative marks if you are giving, and difficulty level. Choose it, then save it. Similarly you are going to do for the 10 more questions. Okay, and then you are going to click on save. So now I'll show you how to use a tiny mice. Okay, click on using tiny mice. Okay, you will get an option like this. Okay, so click on objective. If you want, you can write, or else you can copy paste, and here you can change the font and the format of the text, and you can add bullets. Okay, same way you can choose the options also. Especially we use this for the paragraph wise, and then you can same way selecting the correct option, giving a proof, and then clicking on a save. This is how we are going to add a questions for the particular exam. So if you want to import the questions, I'll show you how to import the questions. So go to import or export questions. There you will get an option. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to choose a Excel sheet, and the question should be updated in that particular Excel sheet, and we need to add a question. For that we have a format. So click here to download Excel file format. So you have to download a particular format. Once you have downloaded this format, so it will be seen like this. This is how the format of the questions will be. The same way you need to add a questions. Okay, the difficulty level you have to choose, the questions and the 4 options, and the correct answer, marks given for that, negative marks given. If you are adding a hint, you can add. If you are giving explanation, you can give the explanation. This is how we are going to choose the questions. This is how we are going to add the questions for each and everything. Then the same format, in the same format you should keep on adding the questions like this. 1 question, difficulty level 15 seconds. If you are giving, you can see here 5 seconds will be given as 4, 10 seconds will be given as 1, 50 seconds will be given as 2, okay, and 40 seconds will be given as 7, like that. So if you are giving for 10 seconds, you add 1, okay. So I'm going to add 1, 15 seconds, and then we need to choose a question type, and then 4 options, and then we're going to add it. Once the format has been saved, okay, so the saved format we need to add here in a select file. Okay, we need to select the file, choose a file, we need to enter, then we need to add a group name. If you are choosing, you can choose here, and then subject, then input question. The questions will get imported. And to check whether the questions has been added or not, so you can choose here particular date and a particular time, like you can extend it, and then select the subject, what subject you added, select the question type, select the difficulty level, then if you give for search, questions like this. This is how we are going to get a question. You can add this question for the particular exam. Thank you.